What is Secure Boot in Windows 11? Secure Boot is a feature within your computer's BIOS, Basic Input-Output System, or UEFI, Unified Extensible Firmware Interface. Secure Boot ensures that your PC boots up only from trusted software from the original equipment manufacturer. Essentially, it protects your system from malware and unauthorized software that might try to load during the startup process. When Secure Boot is enabled, the firmware checks the digital signatures of the bootloader and other essential software before allowing them to run. If a piece of software lacks a valid signature, the system won't boot until you manually authorize it. To give you a quick analogy, think of a Secure Boot as a bouncer at an exclusive club who only lets in guests with verified invitations. It keeps the party safe and secure by ensuring only trusted software can operate.